So basically the porcelain veneer restoration is a thin layer of porcelain which is glued on top of the tooth with minimal reduction of the outside tooth structure. Those people who have the discolored, misaligned, improper anterior teeth, the front teeth, which shows in their smile of different size or different shape or different colors, they would definitely benefit from this type of treatment. And of course, everything needs to be evaluated by the doctor before deciding on the particular treatment plan. But this is very, very common type of restoration, getting more and more popular among the general public.